Atta Biscuits recipe in 5 minutes. In a glass bowl, add 1/3 cup of butter or ghee at room temperature. Add half a cup of powdered sugar. Here I'm using Stevia. You can add up to 1 cup of sugar. Whisk well with a hand blender until it's very soft. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1½ cup of whole wheat flour. You can use barley flour, rye flour, any flour that you like. Then add half a cup of milk at room temperature. Then whisk it on a low speed with a hand blender. Start with pulses so it doesn't splatter all over. Mix well. And now let's add gradually some more flour. You can add up to half a cup of flour. Then mix with spatula or your hands until the mix becomes supple. When the dough is well integrated, now you can add it to a cookie cutter. Choose the disc shape that has a crooked line on it, as seen above. Fill it up with the dough and let's press it on our hands. Then place it in an oven pan lined with butter paper. Align the cookies evenly in the pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until it gets golden. Let them cool down and then serve.